Hey, I'm Carl, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use PaliGemma, Google's new vision language model, or VLM. Here we are in Vertex Model Garden. You can open up a notebook here and learn more. That's what we're going to do today. You can also find out more about use case and documentation. On top of this, I recommend checking out Hugging Face's recent blog post on PaliGemma. It gets into a lot of detail on the architecture and how to use it. In this blog post, there's a great architecture diagram which shows the image encoder taking an image input as well as a text input, along with a Gemma text decoder providing you a text output. Let's see this in practice. So what we're going to do next is look at the deployment notebook included with the Vertex AI Model Garden. When we go through this notebook, we'll find that we'll be able to deploy PaliGemma to a Vertex AI endpoint. This is where we'll be able to serve the PaliGemma model. Here you can see that you can specify different variations of the model. Again, these are pre-trained models. You can also fine-tune it. Some of the different models available include a smaller 224 by 224 resolution that it works great in all kinds of situations. You also can even increase the resolution to a variety of different settings up to 896 by 896. These are all available here in the notebook. So I've already deployed this model. We'll see that it is deployed within the Vertex AI online prediction service. Here you see it's deployed on my endpoint. And near the end of the notebook, there's a stage where you can deploy it into a playground. Let's take a look and see how we can interact with the model. Here we are in the Model Garden playground. What I've done is I've connected to one of the endpoints from Vertex AI online prediction. I've also uploaded an image from a recent trip to Mexico City. Let's go ahead and try out some scenarios. So first task will be visual question answering. This is where we can ask questions about an image. Let's go ahead and ask a question like, how many cars are in the image? Let's see what happens. Here we go. We get a correct answer of 5 cars in the image. Let's try something else. Let's try image captioning using English. There we go. A detailed text response explaining what's in the image. Finally, let's try one more use case, and this is my favorite one. Let's do object detection. Let's create bounding boxes around certain objects in the image. In this case, let's try finding the plants in the image. We'll create a new image, and as you can see here, it has identified the plants within the image. Very cool. So here we've seen an end-to-end overview of how to deploy PaliGemma and use it on Vertex AI. I recommend, as a next step, getting started with the PaliGemma Model Garden page. Thanks for watching.